Good morning from France. I am here for the weekend. I am doing a Pilates retreat and we arrived yesterday. So far today we got up with the sunrise and went and did a Pilates session. We are going to go and explore a little French market. We're back now from the French market. We have just sat and had lunch together and I am the first one to come and sit by the pool, so I've got it all to myself at the moment. So I am going to go and sit and have a little read of my book for a bit and then probably jump in the pool because it's actually really hot. I think it's like 31 degrees right now. So